Hello guys, and today, let me just go up here. It's really dark, so. What the hell is that? Oh, Chica's out of her cage. And this is Chica. Say hi, Chica. That's Chica right there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed Chica's face. Oh, such a good girl. So yeah, I am kind of sick. My throat is good, but yeah, this is Chica's litter box and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, this is not my room. This is actually my sister's room. My sister's room, she's really messy. Like, to be honest, this is her closet, and I still freaking can't touch that little thing. See you guys. I'll see you guys in a moment. So yeah, I'll probably do another video after my school, and school, just to be honest, it's kind of long. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a while. So yeah, and this is my water bottle, and yeah, she has her own computer. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.